Introducing the Pomodoro Tracker Notion Template, which helps you track your study sessions and hold yourself accountable. It comes with a calendar, 2 of my favorite study playlists, and a Pomodoro Timer. You can also track your short and long breaks using this. You can also change the theme and the timer duration by going to Settings. Now, coming to the table, click on New to add a new task and set its status. Fill in the starting time of your study session and the ending time gets filled in automatically. The Pomodoro status will stay green during the Pomodoro interval, and when it ends, it will change to red automatically. So you can start the timer above and begin your study session. You can also change the Pomodoro time as per your needs. There is also a board view of your tasks so that you can easily move those tasks around and also create a task on the fly. Hope you guys find this helpful.